Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can set a monthly budget on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default homepage. So from here, to set a budget, you will just need to tap on your analytics icon in the top right corner right here. Then just go ahead and scroll down, and at the bottom under the tools section you should be able to see set a budget option. So just go ahead and select that. Now you would need to input your budget. So for me it's set on monthly on default, but if you want to change this to weekly, you can just tap on this and then just select weekly. But I will leave it at monthly and then just exit. And right here you will need to select your monthly budget. So let's say 100 euros. Once you inputted your monthly budget, just go ahead and tap on continue. Then you can customize your budget allocation. So how much do you want to spend for shopping, for services, utilities, and so on. But if you don't want to do this for each one of these segments, you can just go ahead and tap on skip in the upper right corner. And there we go. My monthly budget is now set. So I have about 16 euros left to spend. So essentially guys, that's how you can set a budget on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.